Hi again. This is another update on the Burny LS55 sustainer that I had. If you recall from the previous video, what I discovered was there was an extra ability to add a switch into the circuit, and this would give us a different kind of mode. So what I did, I ordered from eBay a couple of switches. The one that seems to fit is a JST-XH, which is this bigger switch. It's normally used for batteries. And what I've done is I've put it in, it just flicks in, and then the two wires are just left there. Oops, that's how to break your guitar. And what I'm going to do now is to stand the guitar upright, and we got it wired into the Laney amp, and this is the standard sound without anything involved. Now I'm going to flick the sustainer switch on. So this is the bare sustainer, and you hear it immediately come into its sort of feedback mode where it's hitting the switch. Now I'm going to try and do, which is very hard with one hand, is to take this switch and let's see if we can short it. This is where I need a glamorous assistant. I don't have one. It's the end of the world and everybody's too worried about bread and toilet paper. Anyway, there. No, not quite. Give it one last go. But I had to cheat a little bit there, I had to pause. So I put the wires fairly close, and then as I slide it up, let's get it in the right place. There, now I've shorted the wires across, and we got the different mode coming out of the amp. And if I let go again, we go back to the standard mode. So basically the little battery switch XH works very nicely. I'll be working out how the router switch through here. Let's just switch it off. I'll be working out how the router switch. The kinky thing is you see that the pot and the switch are already on the board, so putting a switch in between might be more complicated because of the flush height. So it might be that the switch has to come this side of the affair or that side. It might have to go over there, or I could put a push-pull pot on to possibly to the sustainer level. I'll make a decision when I've worked it out, but the main thing is I'll put a link into what switch it is, or what connector rather, that fits in there quite nice. I'm not saying it's the right connector, but it fits and it works. So then you can use that to allow you to put a switch in. So thanks for listening, and be safe out there. Cheers. Bye.